Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Calendar to Claude AI. Start by opening Claude AI in your browser. Make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are inside, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture there. Click on your profile picture to open a small menu. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage different features of your account. On the settings page, look for a section called Connectors. Click on Connectors to open the list of available integrations. Now, check if Google Calendar is already visible in the list. If you see it, you can move to the next step. If you do not see it, look for a button that says Browse Connectors. Click on that option and use the search bar to type Google Calendar. When Google Calendar appears in the results, click on the plus icon next to it. This will begin the connection process. A new window will appear asking you to select a Google account. Choose the account that has the calendar you want to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow the necessary permissions. After you complete these steps, your Google Calendar will be connected to Claude AI. You can now access and use your calendar information directly within Claude. Thanks for watching.